I'm live. Hello, welcome everyone. So today we are starting to learn about trading and the stock market and how this gonna impact us. Okay, so let's see what we have today. So today we're looking at this is the midday show. So it's 12:17 here in New York time. TDF live stream. Yes. So let's see how this gonna be working. Okay. Let's see. I'm testing this live stream. I think I'm live, so I want to make sure that I'm live. So we're looking at the market. We're going to trade the stock market. So you can see here on my left. On my left here is the S&P 500. Yeah, that's the S&P 500 here. We have QBTS, Quantum, and we have Hood, Robinhood, and then Tesla. Okay, so our format is we're gonna do look at pre-market. We'll talk about earnings, reports, U.S. news, international news. Okay, the stock exchange, and yeah, international news and sticky notes. I'm gonna provide some sticky notes. Explain what that sticky note is like. What we're gonna do for the day, like stock that we are going to trade. And yes, so let me see. I can get this out here. Hmm. Uh, let's see. Yeah, we are trading. So let's see how this is going so far. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Yes, yes, it looks good so far. I'm live. I'm moving. Am I not moving there? Am I too slow? Too fast? Sorry about let's chat. All right, let's see there. Let's see how this is going so far. Yeah. It looks good. Looks good. Yes. Yes. It looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But let's chat. All right. Let's see there. See how this is going so far. Yeah. It looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. That means it's working. So yeah. All right. That's our live stream. We're seeing that SMP 574.52. Very slow. All right. Yes, sir. Let's go to the moon. Soon. I'm so excited. It's working. It is working. I'm watching now. We'll keep streaming every day. We will look at the S&P 500. Let's look at the chart for today. So what we're going to do from 12 to 2, I'll be teaching how to trade, okay? Like things like the midday show, learning how to trade, technical. We're gonna learn about some technical analysis. When I say technical analysis, I mean like bar chart, pie chart, gaps, okay, all the technical aspect of the market, like all those, those nuances, like what is level one, level two, looking at like this is level one and level two combined. What this means, look at volume, VWAP, okay, simple moving averages, Fibonacci, all these things are very, very crucial and very, very important. Okay. So we're gonna talk about all those things in great, great details, man. I love this. And yeah, so we're gonna discuss this a lot in great details. I'm super happy now. I'm live. We talk about this a lot in our recap shows and everything. And we'll see. Watching now, I have 94 subscribers, so I can go live. And let's go. So the market, so we're trading S&P 500 technical analysis. We're gonna see how this gonna work out. Yes, opening market overview. The market news today. 30. So let's see what's happening. So we have some report coming up at 2 o'clock. At 1 o'clock we have Today at 1 o'clock, we have this morning we had the 3 month bill auction with okay, the 3 month bill, the treasury bill, the 3 month bill auction. Then we have the 6 month bill auction, and Fed Bostic speech. Fed Bostic speech is gonna be okay, and Fed Bass speech, and consumer confidence. All right, consumer confidence is very important, and also RBA Jones speech at that's the Australia. Okay, they're gonna be make so Fed bar is gonna speak at 2:10 p.m. and at 1 p.m. we going to see the BOE Gov Bailey speech. Okay, that's very important. In the Federal Reserve, we're gonna listen because we learn. We're going to see news, what's going on around the world, the news, the stock market news. Okay, and let's see what's news happening. We are going to look at most definitely we're gonna look at the stock market flexible grids here. We see trades, chart news, what's happening. We look at some news there from the stock market. We look, so if I come here and click this and get this away, so we can see the news about the S&P 500. Look at this. This is a perfect make there. Look at this here. Okay, look at this from this on my top left here. All right, so Trump nominated. So at 11:21, Trump nominee to run Social Security Agency Frank Bisigano says he has not thought about privatizing Social Security. Says no one has ever talked to him about privatizing Social Security. President has made it clear he has no objective to cut benefits. Okay, so that's very important to know right there. Okay, so hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's go. All right, let's go. Let's take the trade into our next level, guys. Yeah, if you like the show, guys. Let's go. Let's keep rolling. Roll this. All right, you feeling the show? This is the day trading grinding for beginners show. All right, I'm telling you, this is gonna be lit. We're gonna be on fire. We're taking this to the next level. All right, we are here grinding it, trading every day. We here from 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. All right, at 8:30 a.m. we have the opening. All right, we have pre-market earnings. We're gonna talk about pre-market earnings for that day. We're gonna look into US news, what's happening around about US news, okay, like international news. We then have some sticky notes. We're gonna look at trades that we are going to trade for that day, trade stocks, bonds, and sticky notes. We look at the forex market. Then we look upgrades and downgrades. Okay, we do futures market at 9 o'clock a.m. Then main stocks to be traded, discussions, at least 5 stocks we're gonna trade for that day. Then we'll look at the stocks market opening. All right, market news, market report, sector watch. All this how market is going on. Look at this move right now for the S&P 500. S&P 500 is up 0.13%. You can see that. All right, not that much up comparing to yesterday. We saw a massive move yesterday for the stock market. We saw the stock rallied. All right, we saw a lot of news coming in. We saw like those all those news coming in. All right, so it's a very important day, very important for the market as a whole. And yeah, we're going to see some amazing stuff. All right, we're going to see some trading right there with the market. We're going to see the market news, crypto. We talk about crypto, how crypto is doing. Let's look at IBIT crypto. Okay, IBIT, QBTS, these are quantum names. Quantum names are down. I bought RGTI. Okay, I wanted to look at crypto IBIT. Yes. Let me know what you want to look at. Okay, in the comment section here, let me know what you want to look at. Yeah, IBIT is trading there. Okay, let's see. Thanks for loving the show, man. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's go. Let's take this to higher levels. Okay, if you're chatting, saying something, if you like the show, guys. Okay. All right, hey, Amadou Jallo, you like the show? All right, let's go, man. Let's keep it rolling. This stuff is me. We'll get there, bro. We'll get there. We'll get there. And I mean, yeah, that's the IBIT, man. IBIT hit 50 yesterday. Yesterday the market was up. Everything was up yesterday. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Some news report. Let's press release, the Fed, all this. YouTube. Let's go back to this YouTube channel here. Look at that, building a strong support here again. Same spot like yesterday, right? Market stalling there. Look at that candlesticks there. Okay, look at this. This is the S&P 500 today. Let's look at the option trades today. So if we come here, if you go trade options, let's see options. Okay, options. All right, percentage change today for the options are all in the red. Look at this red for the options. Yeah, right. This is the 575 call options. All right, trading there at $72. We have what? It's just 12:30. Okay, the midday. So this is very important to look at the delta, the gamma. All right, delta is the percentage change for that stock. All right, if the stock move 1%, how much change will it? Think of delta as the probability. Okay, that this will finish in the money. All right, then theta is like is the time decay. All right, how long it takes. All right, this time is against you. Think of the option prices as like, and this guy was saying this dude, he was saying about the, I forgot his name, man, and rapper, all right, Wall Street trapper, all right. He was saying that he think of theta as this as an ice. Okay, so the more you bring an ice closer to the sun, you know, the faster it melts, the farther away it is, all right, the longer it takes to melt. So it's the same thing. Theta is time decay. The more you get closer to the expiration date, you know, the higher the time decay will become. Okay, theta will become the further away it is. Okay, so if you look at options that are way like April 17 now, if you look at April 17 stocks, you see theta is small, all right, like 22 cents. Okay, but here right now, these are they are going to expire today. These are options that are expiring today. So what happens is that they tend to decay fast. Okay, they eating from money. So this is how much this is losing. Okay, it's losing value. Okay, this option is losing value. All right, look at the options. It's at 69 right now. It's losing at 64. So it is technically you just making 5 cents there. All right, $5 there. So options, all the call options there are doing poorly today. Let's see, put options there. Put options also percentage. Look, they are all in the negative, right? So today, what you do, first options also one thing you want to look at the implied volatility. Implied volatility is very, very important, very, very crucial. 18% today the market is not that volatile. How I know that? Because I look at the options. You can also look at VIX. All right, I'll come back to IBIT earlier as I was saying. So if you look at the VIX, VIX, the volatility index. All right, let's come over here. The spiders news. Let's look at the VIX. Okay, the volatility index, as I was saying, VIX. Yeah. Oh, okay. VIX. Okay, that's the VIX. You see how the VIX is slowing. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, things like that you're gonna look at, very, very important. So yeah. So thanks. We're gonna keep watching. I will be right back. This is great, bro. This is great. This is great. So VIX is down. So that's good. For the past few days, we saw the VIX was up, 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 up. Okay. VIX have been cooling off. All right. Okay. So we'll continue. This is just a training practice. We'll come back more.